What's up, everyone? We are here in the Jurassic Room, and today I'm going to be editing and rebuilding the Jurassic Room once again. I just purchased 200 feet of LED lights, so we're gonna see how cool we can make this place look in the dark. So let's get it going. So I opened up the box with the lights here, and it's kind of got a way that you can plug into an outlet and then kind of go into multiple sources here. So I have my two rolls of 100 feet, and I'm gonna kind of go up the wall with them, and I think I'm gonna line them across all the pillars on the top of the room, and then maybe back down across some over this way, but I just wanted to show y'all how this is actually working. So I pulled out the Lost World arcade machine a little bit to give me a little bit of space, and I think I'm gonna run it up this pillar right here, and then start bringing it along this one over the top first. So I got the first 100-foot set of LED lights put up. As you can see, I kind of went across the ceilings and everything and kind of outlined the border of the Jurassic Room, starting from here and then all the way up. Now I'm gonna connect the other one and go across and go on these beams as well. So let me go ahead and start hanging those ones up as well. So now the LEDs are completely up in the room, a full 360 around and on every single pillar. And let's go ahead and test it out. And look at that. Super, super cool. It's got some different colors and stuff, of course, which is really nice, and some different things I can do with it. But let me turn it off. Now, what we are going to do is I'm going to get everything set up. I'm going to get the arcade machines turned on, and we are going to turn the lights off, have this on in the dark, and I'm going to give y'all a quick nighttime tour of the Jurassic Room.